Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can enable dark mode in your Instagram application. Now, there are a few features in Instagram which allow you to do this natively, but for my iPhone, I don't know why they're still not available. As you can see here, I will tap on my profile on the bottom right corner, click on the three lines in the top right corner, go to settings and privacy, and once you scroll down under your apps and media section, you'll see an accessibility option. Now, in here, for most updated Instagram apps, there is the dark mode option available, but if it isn't there for you as well, just once in your phone, you can do the setting on your phone natively. Just scroll down on an iPhone to go into your control center. Once you're here, long press on the brightness bar and you can see an option where it says dark mode off. Just tap on that and that's it. You now have dark mode on any of the supported applications. Like Instagram is a supported application, but again, if you're having the option to do it natively through Instagram, that is good for you. But otherwise, if you have an iPhone or an Android, you can always go into the settings and turn on dark mode. I'm sure it is very easy and you can figure that out. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can enable dark mode on your Instagram application. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.